Everybody, and today we are going to see 5 ways RPA can transform banking and financial business. So let's get started. Now, the first way is transforming customer journeys. Competition for customer is key motivator for change. Not only are the new market entrants nibbling away at the edges of traditional banking services, but every customer now expects an e-commerce style experience from their bank. Banks are using intelligent automation tools to map out internal administrative processes as well as customer facing processes to work out where the log jams are. It is taking too long. Is it taking too long to make lending decisions because tasks are carried out in serial rather than parallel? Where could a digital worker carry out data check or fill out a digital form rather than a human? These are the questions the banks are asking. And based on that, they are transforming customer journeys by elevating and connecting work at every level of the organization. With RPA, banks links individual tasks to create processes that can span business operations and provide end-to-end journey that are focused on business outcomes. The second way is enhancing employee experiences. Financial institutions have tended to build internal processes as needed, layering tasks on top of each other without necessarily considering optimal approach. Employees have been left with time-consuming and semi-manual tasks, often requiring them to access multiple systems to carry out one process or deal with a customer inquiry. Automation brings together a series of tasks that human beings perform on a daily basis, but using a digital resource to execute them instead. Each journey is supported with exactly what's needed, when it's needed, regardless of what work needs to be done, at what level in business the work happens, or with which resource are the best suited to deliver it. It improves the people's lives because they no longer need to spend their time working through mundane tasks but can now focus on higher value work. The third way is by unifying operations. Implementing intelligent automation effectively should include an analysis of cross-organizational processes, which provides an opportunity to simplify and unify operations. In some international institutes, for example, a process can be replicated across different countries, leading to anomalies and errors in the group-wide reporting. Leading organizations just don't apply technology as a single point solution, but think about how they can redesign the process, taking into consideration technologies like automation that didn't have at their disposal 5 or 10 years ago. When organizations redesign entire processes, taking into account some of these newer technologies, that approach is the most rewarding and successful one. As a part of this analysis, organizations can choose to deploy digital and human workers in the most suitable roles, aligning and maximizing resources. Organizations can also rethink the way work is done, ensuring that all the tasks, processes, and journeys are aligned to specific business outcomes, irrespective of whether that work is being carried out by people or digital workers. The fourth way is by reducing risk. The volume and complexity of the organizations across the globe continues to gather pace. Banks and other financial institutions need to respond accordingly, while also reacting quickly and decisively to unexpected events. Almost 76% of the financial organizations are having significantly higher or slightly higher compliance resource requirements when compared with just 2 years ago. Organizations are responding by either expanding their risk and compliance team or expecting existing teams to take on additional work. Intelligent automation can support risk and compliance teams by enabling digital workers to handle manual or spreadsheet-based tasks, such as checking new regulatory guidelines against existing documents or factoring in new list of potentially exposed persons. The fifth way is improving data quality. At the most basic level, intelligent automation helps to improve data quality by ensuring that exchanges such as extraction from multiple databases and re-entry are minimized through digitization. Intelligent automation can also enable banks to respond quickly to regulators or auditors' requests for up-to-date information. One bank, for example, used RPA to build a portfolio of evidence for each high-risk client based on information sourced across all product lines. Manual review of the account that would have taken 3 hours to complete, and the bank would have to hire additional resources to complete the review on time and face a significant fine. Banks are using data collected from RPA automation to improve visibility of their function, processes, and resources in real time. This lets them streamline and optimize processes, expand or contract staff as the workload fluctuates, drive continuous improvement, and identify new opportunities for automation. Well, guys, it's time to conclude this video, and I would like to say that current technology is already enabling financial institutions to build better processes for benefit of both employees and customers. The future that travel will democratize automation programs, enabling people closer to the business to manage digital workers the way they see fit, training them in new processes and continuing to scale. Automation will be seen as a change agent that breaks the innovation bottleneck. As more and more employees develop an understanding of what's possible, they will begin to identify even more opportunities to automate processes and free themselves up to take on higher value work, develop new skills, and advance their careers. From improving finance professional career paths to revolutioning customer experiences, and from seamlessly collaborating with third parties to offer additional tools and services to providing more data insights, the time is right for financial institutions to get on board with intelligent automation. Well, guys, if you have watched the video to the end, thank you for watching my video. And if you would like to become an RPA professional, please contact us. Our contact information is right at the beginning of the video. And hey, who knows? You might get a lucrative career in RPA after all. Thank you.